Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how Vikings made ale. They were skilled brewers, creating a staple drink from readily available resources. Their process, passed down through generations, involved several key steps, transforming simple grains into a nourishing and often potent beverage. This ancient craft was essential for their daily lives and celebrations, providing both sustenance and social enjoyment. The journey began with grains, primarily barley, though oats and wheat were also used. Malting was the first critical step. Grains were soaked in water, allowed to sprout slightly, and then carefully dried, often over a gentle fire. This process awakened enzymes within the grain, transforming complex starches into simpler sugars, which are vital for fermentation. Next came mashing, where the malted grains were combined with hot water in large vessels. This step extracted the newly formed sugars, creating a sweet liquid known as wort. The wort was then boiled, a crucial stage for sterilization and to concentrate flavors. Often, various herbs like bog myrtle or hops were added during this boil, contributing unique aromas and bitterness to the ale. Finally, fermentation began. Yeast, either naturally occurring wild yeast or a starter from a previous brew, was introduced to the cooled wort. This magical process converted the sugars into alcohol and carbon dioxide. The ale would ferment in wooden barrels for a period ranging from several days to a few weeks. Once ready, the fresh ale was a central part of Viking life, enjoyed during meals and celebrations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.